Alright folks, so my Tahoe, it's an '03 Tahoe. This will work for the similar era Yukons, Yukon XLs, and Suburbans as well. Rear HVAC, stuck on cold. No matter what you do with the temperature knobs on either the front or rear control panels. So, I'm going to show you what I did to diagnose it. Alright, so if you remove all your plastics, I'm not going to show you how, this is what you get. It's all your rear HVAC stuff. Had a little mouse friend in the corner at some point, apparently. But anyway, like I said, temperature doesn't change from the front or rear control. Now, everything else works. The modes and the fan speed. Now, here are your actuators. This front one, well, I guess the rear one, at the rear of the vehicle. That's your temperature. Front one is your mode. So, the floor, or the ceiling, or the mix. That is your control module for the rear. Now, I swapped actuators, and with my OBD scanner, I was able to recalibrate everything, just in case that was the issue. And the actuator from here does work up at the other one, and the one from up front that does not work in the rear. So, obviously not an actuator problem. I checked the 5-volt refs on the rear and the front. Front works, rear stays. It doesn't move when you change temperatures. So, I'm calling a module. I don't believe they make them anymore, so you're going to have to find one at a junkyard or used on eBay. You might be able to find like a Dorman part still if someone has it, but from what my reading is, they're hard to find. So, that's how I troubleshot this. I'm not getting a module. I'm just going to manually change the vent back here with the seasons, because I don't drive it enough to care right now. And I just want this back together so I can use it.